Let me show you how we can enter and exit the Fastboot mode on Google Pixel 10. So the first thing that we need to do is simply turn off our phone. So we can now press the power button and volume up button at the same time to show the power menu. And over here we just need to select power off. Now we're gonna wait for the phone to shut down. And once that happens, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button until you see the Fastboot mode. So let's go ahead and press and hold both of these buttons and just keep holding. There we go. Now we are in the Fastboot mode. Over here we can navigate by using volume buttons. So use volume up and down in order to choose a different option over here. And that's pretty much it. From here we can go to the rescue mode, to the recovery mode, and so on and so forth. And if you want to exit this mode, you can simply choose the start option, which allows you to just simply restart your phone and go back into the normal mode. We can confirm our choice by pressing the power button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.